When it's time to call a professional, you might be surprised to find out how much dust is in your home. Cleaning of the air ducts helps maintain healthy indoor air quality in your home. It's time to call a professional if you notice that you need to sweep and dust more than usual, experience higher than normal utility bills, allergy signs appear, especially after air starts to flow. Rooms in your home have little or no airflow coming from the air conditioning vents. The AdvantaClean process. AdvantaClean performs air duct cleaning in accordance with the only recognized industry standard, the National Air Duct Cleaners Association. The proper cleaning process includes loosening contaminants. Agitating or loosening contaminants is the first step to proper air duct cleaning, and it's done by using brushes, air whips, or compressed air. Which tools are used is based on the type of ductwork being cleaned. Collecting and removing contaminants using negative pressure collection equipment. Like a big vacuum, this equipment sucks down the dirt and contaminants, removing them from your heating and cooling system, as well as keeping the contaminants from entering the living space in your home or building. To help ensure contaminants are contained, all vents and returns are covered. Surface openings need to be created in the duct system for attaching the vacuum and using the agitation tools. These surface openings will be sealed after the cleaning process is completed. Heating and cooling system cleaning. This cleaning includes cleaning the blower motor, coiling coils, and external surfaces of the heat exchanger. In general, a proper cleaning for an average single furnace home will take 3 to 5 hours for a 2-person crew. It takes time to do the job right. Benefits: reduces allergens and irritants. Cleaning eliminates contaminants such as dust, pet dander, mold, fungi, bacteria, and similar toxins in your home or office air conditioning ducts. People who suffer from allergies, asthma, and other respiratory problems are particularly sensitive to these airborne particles. Efficiency: a clean system will operate at peak efficiency and provide the most cost-effective performance for your energy dollar. Life expectancy of your unit. When your air ducts are clogged, your whole system has to work much harder, which will lead to higher maintenance costs and a shorter lifespan of your HVAC system. Call for a free air duct cleaning quote and to see how the indoor air quality experts at AdvantaClean can help. Call AdvantaClean day or night for air duct cleaning at 877-800-2382 or AdvantaClean.com.